Alright, well today we got a little bit of a different thing going on. Just clean up some of my dad's stuff, and I got this old Ford truck that I want the dump body off of, but I don't really want the rest of the truck, so I'm going to pull the dump bed off of it. So it might be a little interesting here. I don't believe the excavator will pick it on its own, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain up the front to the excavator. Maybe I'll throw a chain to the back, but my plan is to put the 210 backhoe under the back, kind of lift one, lift the other, you know, that sort of deal. Kind of a two-person job, but it's just me today. Well, Marley's here somewhere, but you know. So yeah, I got all the bolts cut off. Plan is to pick it up a little bit and drive the truck out from under it. So let's see how that goes. Alright, we got the front chained up. Let's try picking that up, see how it behaves, because I want to lift the front first anyway, because the cab shield is pretty close to the top of the cab. So let's pick a little bit up on that with the excavator and get it up off the frame a couple inches, and then we'll get under it with the backhoe. Got her all lifted up there. All we gotta do is cut the wires and we can pull the truck away. So yeah, that wasn't too bad. Went a lot better than I thought for only having one person to run both machines. So yeah, with this dump body, I've got some plans for it, but not totally sure if they're gonna come to life or not. But for the time being, I got the body off. That's what matters. It's not messed up. So we'll just have to see if the plans come together or not. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and that's all for this short little video.